guys, I've been trying to get this lighting right for the past 45 minutes, so please excuse the horrible lighting. Nothing is working, so just bear with me. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie if you're new here, and thank you for clicking on this video. So by the title you can see that I will be reviewing Better Than Sex and Diamonds limited edition Too Faced mascara. And before I get into that, I'm just gonna do like a quick little Sephora haul. I went to Sephora yesterday. I got 5 things. You guys, these 5 things rounded up to a total of $150 for 5 things. But it's all good, I'm not complaining, because these things I either have been wanting for a long time or I've been needing. So I'm just gonna go straight on to this haul. Okay guys, so the first thing I got was the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. I always find myself putting this on even if I already have some other makeup setting spray on my face. This definitely is long lasting and long wear, and my problem is that I do get oily on my T-zone, so this is the oil control. As I said, I do get oily on my T-zone, and this definitely controls it. Another thing I got was a First Aid Beauty Fab Skin. I love this stuff. I actually got a little sample on my Ipsy bag, and of course it's like this small, so I went through it in about a week. That honestly, I had some little breakouts here, and once I used it the first day, it actually helped a lot of my breakouts, so I figured why not just get the bigger size. Another thing I got was the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm right here. It's like a white balm. It kind of has the feeling of like a coconut oil type of feeling when it's a little hard. This removes every ounce of makeup on my face, even the waterproof mascara. This was one of the things I was most excited about getting. Another thing I got was the Bare Minerals Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. Since I do have acne, as you can see, I try going for powders instead of liquids because I feel like liquids do clog my pores up a bit, and that causes more acne for me. So I like this one because it's skin clearing, as I said, and it has salicylic acid in it. So as I'm covering my blemishes, it's also helping them as well. So this is my first time using Bare Minerals, and I'm excited to try this out. I haven't used it yet. And last but not least, what I'm going to be reviewing is the Better Than Sex and Diamonds limited edition Too Faced mascara. It's right here. It's really nice packaging. So I don't know what the difference is between this one and the original one. This one has and Diamonds limited edition, but I've heard so many great things about this. I'm actually very excited to use this. So I'm going to be applying it in one eye, and then I'm just going to be applying like a regular mascara on the other eye, so you guys can see the difference on the 2 mascaras. Okay, so this is my first time unboxing this, and it's so nice. It has diamonds everywhere, and this is the name right here, and it's actually really heavy. It's super durable. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. So this is what the wand looks like. So it's like this right here. And the top, I really can't get over this packaging, you guys. It's even if after this runs out, I feel like I'm just still gonna keep this because of how nice it is. So yeah, let's see how good this is. Wow, you guys, this was one coat. And this is how my lashes look already. So one thing I do have to say about this, it definitely doesn't clunk up on my lashes like all together. It definitely separates them. If this is only one coat, I can imagine what 2 more coats will do. So I'm just gonna do that. Whoa. Do you guys see this? Look at this difference. This one and no mascara here. You guys, I'm not even saying this because like I'm on camera right now, but this probably is my favorite mascara now. It definitely does give a false lash effect. And what I like about this is, as I said, it's not clumpy at all. It's long and they're separated. That's very rare for mascaras nowadays, I feel. I'm shook. 1 more coat. That was my 2nd coat. I'm just gonna do a 3rd one just to see. You guys, it literally looks like I'm wearing falsies right now. And this is only 3 coats. I actually saw a lot of difference with only 1 coat, but 3. This is amazing. So I'm just gonna go in with this one. This used to be my favorite one, but this one just has me beat, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 coats on this eye. Okay, that's 1 coat. You know, there is volume there, but definitely not as much volume as there was with this one when I had 1 coat applied. Oh, and by the way, this one is Argan Wear Physicians Formula Mascara. It was like $12. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with coat number 2. Obviously you can't compare it to this one. Like my eyelashes are like all the way up here and these are all the way up here. Here's a close-up. Now for the third coat. Definitely got clumpy at the end, as you can see here. Obviously they can't compare, and if you guys have this already, let me know how you guys like it down below. And if you're looking for a mascara that it volumizes and it thickens and it lengthens, I definitely 100% recommend this. Yeah, it's a bit pricey, $29, but honestly the price is worth it. You get what you pay for. And if you guys have tried out any products that I listed in my mini haul, please let me know down below how they worked for you, or if you have any suggestions in products you'd want me to try that you have tried before that's from Sephora or even from any other place. I'm definitely interested in seeing what you guys like. I'm definitely willing to try out new things, so please comment down below. Let me know what are your favorite products of 2017 or products of 2018 that have came out and that you're loving so far. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So yeah guys, that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed filming it. Comment down below any suggestions you have for my next video, and I know I haven't been active on YouTube. It's kind of harder to film now that I have a full-time job now. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!